Welcome back, future cloud professionals and tech stars. Are you ready to explore the world of cloud computing but not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a look at cloud computing career paths, including breaking down how you can launch a successful cloud computing career. Let's dive in, starting with 4 popular career options to get you on your chosen path. Number 1, cloud engineers. Cloud engineers build and manage cloud infrastructures using cloud service providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. They start off as junior engineers and move up to senior roles. Their responsibilities include migrating existing systems to the cloud, configuring networking and security measures, optimizing cloud performance, and ensuring cost-effective resource utilization. Number 2, cloud architect. These pros design cloud systems that meet organizational goals. They create the blueprint for cloud infrastructures, selecting the appropriate cloud services, frameworks, and technologies. Starting as a cloud engineer can lead to this role. Number 3, cloud administrator. They ensure everything in the cloud runs smoothly and safely. Cloud administrators work closely with engineers and architects to keep systems in check. They're responsible for implementing and maintaining security protocols, performing backups, and ensuring data integrity. Number 4, cloud security analysts. Protecting cloud data from cyber threats is their game. This role is crucial for safeguarding data and maintaining security. Their responsibilities include analyzing security logs, configuring security tools, managing encryption and access controls, and responding to security incidents. Sounds pretty exciting, right? But how do you get started? Try the following steps to begin your cloud career journey on the right foot. Step 1, learn the basics. Cloud computing is all about delivering computing services like servers, storage, databases, and networking over the internet. Get familiar with terms like IaaS, infrastructure as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and SaaS, software as a service. Step 2, get certified. Once you've got the basics down, it is time to get certified. Cloud certifications are a great way to validate your skills and make your resume stand out. Major cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure offer certifications that can boost your credibility. Step 3, gain practical experience. Knowledge is great, but hands-on experience is where you'll really learn. Try out cloud platforms like AWS free tier, Google Cloud free tier, or Azure's free service to get your hands dirty. Build small projects like setting up virtual servers or creating a simple app to apply what you've learned. As a bonus, practical experience will help you understand how cloud services work in the real world and prepare you for job roles. Plus, it's a great way to build a portfolio to showcase your skills to potential employers. Step 4, network and stay up to date. The tech world moves fast, so staying connected and on top of emerging trends and technologies is crucial. Join cloud computing forums, attend industry webinars, and follow thought leaders on social media. Networking can lead to valuable opportunities and keep you informed about the latest trends and technologies. And there you have it, your roadmap to a cloud computing career. Start learning the basics, get certified, gain practical experience, and stay engaged with the community. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to a rewarding career in cloud computing. Did you find this helpful? Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome career advice and tech insights. Catch you next time.